Hey everyone, this is our 15-minute fire up body weight workout.
Let's get it done. Let's go.
Let's get it done. 15 minutes. All right, some leg swings.
Yep, let's go. Leg swings.
I know you like this. These are kind of like footy stuff, aren't they?
Ooh, yep. I can even kick forward and you can come down, touch the floor and kick back up, or you can balance, come forward. Balance.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Turn the abs on.
Nice.
10.
All right, swap sides.
The other way.
If you're feeling a little wobbly on this, you could probably just hang onto a chair or a table.
Yeah, or a wall.
To stabilize. Yeah, wall, couch.
Couch.
Last one.
Yeah.
All right, overhead lunges. So stepping, we'll do a backward step to start with.
Yep.
Stretch. So with the warm-up, that's pretty much what it's all about. It's just getting the body fired up, ready for the workout.
Yeah, and dynamic as well. So we want to make sure that you're moving, nothing static. The whole body's moving. You want to get the heart rate up a little bit as well.
Couple more. Last one. All right, go into a squat. So take your feet about shoulder width apart. Full squat. Don't have to speed these. Just it's all about just getting that full range of movement.
And if you've got your couch at home, you can sit down at your couch, sit back up again. You can't get the depth.
Last one.
Yep.
All right, take your feet out wide. And some lateral.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm not as flexy in the middle part of that leg. That's all right.
Always with these, making sure knee, toe alignment. You know what I might do? Is add a little twist. Just to get that back warmed up. You could even open up with the other arm.
Yeah.
Couple more.
Yep. Stay in time with you.
It's all about the timing. Last one. All right. Okay, so.
You warm? I'm warm.
I'm warm. We've got a nice little mix of things with repetitions and timing.
Yep.
And we're going to do 2 rounds.
Yep.
So.
I'm going to, well, either you keep up with me or I keep up with you. It's totally up to you.
He's laying down the gauntlet. Okay, so we're going to start with 20 plyo lunges. Whoa, he's off.
6, 7.
20, and then 30 seconds of plyometric jacks. So you're on the timer.
How do we do those again? Just show me.
Like that.
Yeah, perfect. Okay.
Big starfish.
All right.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Oh, let's get the heart rate up straight away. Come on, keep going, Mish. 15 seconds to go. How much?
Wow. Nice. Okay, so we're down on the floor.
Yep.
And now there's an option here. I want to show push up with a clap, yeah?
Yeah, we've got 10.
Okay.
Okay, we ready? Let's go.
How did I score the easy option on that?
I know. Wow. Alrighty. Shuffles.
Ready.
All right,
30 seconds. Let's go.
Go. Keep going, Mish. Stay low. Stay low.
Oh yeah, get down in the legs.
20 seconds to go. Oh, the legs are burning. Keep your distance, Mish. This is easy basketball. And rest.
Oh my goodness, wow. Triceps.
All right, bring the bench out.
So you can do this on a couch, on a chair.
I'm gonna face out this way. Oh, 10 reps, ready?
Ready.
3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 10. Oh. Okay.
Woohoo.
Alternating lunges.
Okay.
So, forward or backwards, doesn't really matter.
30 seconds?
30 seconds.
I'm going backwards.
All right, I'm gonna go forward. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Now remember, keep your chest up, keep the abs on, and keep your feet shoulder width apart.
And it doesn't really matter whether you go forward or backwards, just
No.
whatever feels good for you. Some people it's easier on their knees to go backwards.
Good. 3, 2, and 1.
All right, so we've got 10 roll to jumps or get ups.
Or get ups.
I'm going to show an option where you can use your hands.
Yep.
You're going to use no hands.
No hands, or I can use both hands.
Look,
Okay?
Mum, no hands.
Yeah, look, exactly.
10. Ready? Go. And you
One,
can add a
good.
jump if you want.
Yeah, you can add a jump.
So I'm using my knee, you can see.
2. Well, that's 3, sorry.
That was 3. Don't cut me short.
4.
Done.
Done.
Well, they're good.
I know, we're good.
30 seconds now of plank.
Hop overs.
Yes.
All right, you're gonna go your elbow or your
I'm going hands.
I'll go elbows.
Okay. Plank position. 30 seconds.
2, 1, let's go.
You've really got to hold strong through your core here.
Yeah.
And, you know, there'll be obviously a bit of movement, but you want to hold yourself as still as you can.
And light on your feet. And also you can step over if you can't jump, like I'm doing here
Oh,
on
yeah?
this one. Yep.
Ho ho.
All right.
Woo. Okay. 10.
Leaps.
Front leaps, frog leaps, whatever
Big
you want.
leap forward.
Ready? 3, 2, 1,
Go.
go.
Now remember, soft landing too, right? So absorb the landing.
Yeah. Shock
Bend the
absorbers.
leg, yeah. 4.
Glad you're counting. I forgot to count.
It's 5. 6. 7. 2 to go.
Big one.
Big one. Oh, and done.
Nice.
Oh,
Okay.
one more round.
One more round. 20
Higher lunges.
high lunges. When you're ready. Todd?
3, 2, 1, let's go.
Ten.
How are the legs?
Yeah, they're cooking.
All right, that's the same. Plyo jacks.
Yep.
So remember, jump up, split the legs, try and make a star. Okay,
Cool.
ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Soft landing, Mish. Light on the feet.
What are you saying?
What do you say? Come on, team. Ten seconds to go.
Oh.
Three, 2, 1.
Wow.
All right. Claps on the knees.
Okay, this is the time I think, yeah, that was a smart move that I
you can
took
bring
to
that out. Yeah, bring that
doing
out.
this option.
Bring that out.
I'm just going to let you take the full length.
So I'm going to go knees, but you can go to your toes as well.
Yeah.
All right, let's go 10. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. Hopefully all you guys are struggling. Same as us. Shuffles, Mish, shuffles.
All right, we're on 30
Baby
seconds.
shuffle, 3, 2, 1, go. Like you're playing basketball, like you're defending. Stay low.
Oh, this is how I used to defend.
Stay low. Stay low. No fouls.
No fouls, no fouls.
15 seconds to go.
Stay low in your legs.
Lower, Mish. Lower, lower, lower.
What are you,
Five.
a PT or something?
4, 3, 2.
Oh, wow, triceps.
All right, give your bench out.
Ready?
3, 2, 1, let's go. 1. Oh.
Oh man, cooking.
Alternating lunges. 3, 2, 1, let's go.
And it doesn't really matter whether you go forward or backwards, just whatever feels good for you.
Good. 3, 2, and 1. Oh.
All right, so the get-ups. We'll roll to jump. Just with this one, particularly for my beginners out there, you can fall back into a couch and get up out of the couch. Sounds crazy, but it actually does work and it's easier than doing it from the floor. Ready, set, go. And I'm using the option where I use a knee to get up. So there's lots of different options for everybody out there. Plank.
Plank to hop overs. Is this done yet? Oh, how many have we got left?
Yeah, we're nearly there. We're nearly there. Come on, Toddy.
Ready to go?
Yep, 30
Let's
seconds.
go. Over. That's it. Keep the abs on. And as we said in that first round, you can step it out, Mish.
Yeah, I mean, I'd rather someone step
Yep.
or even just hold
Hold the
still
plank, yep.
than stop altogether.
Totally. Keep breathing.
Almost there. Okay.
Back
Woo!
Last one.
All right, 10 leaps.
Big leap forward and come back.
Set, go.
Go. Absorb that landing with a little lunge or a squat.
Yeah, it's all about the core. Is that 4?
Yep. Use your arms, big drive.
Yeah. Oh, all right.
Well done, air high five.
Air high five. So we're going to finish with a little bit of core work.
Yep, so we're gonna go 30 seconds on our front plank, 30 seconds on the side, 30 seconds on the side, and then a dish hold.
Okay,
All right?
sweet. So you can do high or low.
Yep.
You can do knees or toes.
3, 2, 1, let's go. Camera on, I've got the time on my watch.
So really holding strong through your core, one of the best exercises for transverse abdominis.
There we go. And if you can, hold those hands firm on the ground, rock forward on the toes, tuck the chin, tense the abs, tense the quads, tense the glutes.
Don't forget your option is to work from the knees. There is no shame in that,
3,
provided you keep going with us.
and 1. All right, Mish, you go over to your left side.
Righto.
All right, now let's go. Raise the arm up.
So knees or toes. Well, what you can even do is one leg. So if you're on your knees and you want to start getting to your toes, go one leg first.
Yep.
And then maybe for the last
10 seconds
10
to go.
seconds, go both legs.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Great.
Over to the right.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go this way, I'm gonna go this way so it doesn't see me. 3, 2, 1, let's go, up we go.
So one cue I really like with this, and it seems to work for my clients, is to push up out of your shoulder. So you're not slumping down into your shoulder. You're really pushing out, pulling the shoulder blade back, drawing in through the abs.
10 seconds to go, team. We're nearly there. My favourite one is the last one we're about to do. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
Did you like my...
It's lucky it's not a spider. Okay, so you're gonna have feet up, hover back, point the toes if you can, or bend the knees. Up and hold. A little round in the back. If you can, point the toes out. Ooh, how low can you go as well?
I'm not risking touching the ground. Go, Toddy.
Or you can even have the hands up like that. 10 seconds. Point, point, point. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, we're done.
Wow, that was a workout.
That was good.
Memorable.
Very memorable. We'll see everyone next time. Make sure you stay tuned and jump in on the next one with us.
Please do, and don't forget to do a quick stretch as well.
Yeah.